As the sun rises over the fields, the harvest begins. Both modern machinery and skilled workers are essential.
Moisture levels look good on this batch.
Agreed, the fiber quality is excellent.
Check the pressure on line 3.
It's holding steady at 200 psi.
The heart of the factory, the separation units. Here, the golden green juice is filtered from the fibrous
Through a process of heating and agitation, impurities are separated, leaving behind the clear, golden juice ready for evaporation.
Check the vacuum pressure on crystallizer 3.
It's holding steady at 60 kilopascals. The temperature is stable.
Check the temperature on line 3.
Looks good. Consistency is perfect now.
The bricks reading is stable at 65.2.
Copy that. I've updated the log on the tablet.
Precision is paramount here at the refinery. Every bag is meticulously weighed and adjusted to ensure perfect accuracy.
This state-of-the-art facility processes over 10,000 tons of sugar daily, emphasizing precision at every step.
Did you check the incoming batch from yesterday?
Yes, everything is logged and stored correctly.
We need the Henderson order ready by 1400. Clear the conveyor.
Keep it coming. Okay, right there. Looks good. Let's move the next one quickly.